John's ride is pretty sweet. Stopped for a little fuel up on Canada Day. Good day.
Crappy fuel.
He's got lots of mods to his bike. He's all ready for camping. And of course Jonathan, the Africa Twin, all set up for camping, but today we're just getting out to ride on Canada Day.
No camping.
And then of course the RS. Not exactly the off-road bike, but yet I still think it's best. Clayburn Village, a community built one brick at a time, and was the first company town in BC. Founded in 1905, the village provided houses and services to sustain a productive workforce. The brick plant used clay from Sumas Mountain and operated until 1930. The Fire Clay Company manufactured sought-after fire brick and was used to build many Vancouver buildings, as well as being shipped worldwide. I really love John's toolkit that he's got mounted to the side. That's pretty sweet. It doesn't take up much space at all. Hey John!
Hi!
And of course the well-documented Rancher's Cafe. We're back. Happy Canada Day, everyone, and thanks for joining along, and get out and ride.